Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Amy Rebecca. I'm working on changing my entire life for the better and I'm taking you all along on the journey. So a pretty big goal that I've been working towards for what feels like many centuries at this point is having a more minimal makeup collection. I just want my life to be less cluttered, less overwhelming, less erratic, although I do feel like it's going to take more than a minimal makeup collection to make my life less erratic, let's be honest. Anyway, all that to say that I am back with another rolling project pan challenge for 2023. Don't pretend you're not excited, I know you're excited. We're weirdly excited about beauty related trash here on this channel. We're here for the trash. Anyway, before I introduce you to the products that I am kicking off the 2023 project pan with and give you a little bit of an update about what I've used so far, we need to have a quick message from our sponsor because they help me pay my bills. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and as a single woman, I am a huge advocate for treating yourself. I booked myself a trip to Spain for this Valentine's Day, okay? So the bougier the better. The good news is you can treat yourself to high quality jewelry at an affordable price with today's sponsor, Luisa jewelry. I'm in love with the whole vibe of their jewelry, especially these little pendants. I got 2 of them. I just love them. Also, their jewelry is carbon neutral and climate neutral certified, and you know that we love to see an environmentally conscious brand here on this channel. Right now, Luisa are running a Valentine's Day sale right up until the 16th of February, and it's buy one, get one 50% off. And if you live in the US, it's free shipping and free returns. Also, there's a 365-day warranty on their jewelry for everyone, not just people who live in the US, like everyone. 365 days, that's awesome. Like, how many companies do that? Even if you're watching this video after the 16th, you can still use my coupon code aimee.twentyodd to get 20% off at Luisa jewelry. So if you want to treat yourself and support this channel at the same time, then go ahead and click the link in the description box. I'll leave all the information down there. And thank you Luisa for sponsoring today's video. You may remember that my 2022 project pan went out with a little bit more of a disappointing fizzle than with a bang. The plan was to pan 22 products in 2022 and I did not do that. But for some reason, I'm just gonna be like wildly optimistic and just throw logic out the window and say, yeah, I couldn't pan 2022 products in 2022, but I'm gonna aim to pan 2023 products in 2023. Is that an unrealistic goal? Probably, but we're gonna do it anyway. And just like last year, I'm gonna be focusing on 7 products at a time. So I have already been using all of these products for a month since we're now in, is it February? What day is today? Where am I? What's happening? I've already been using these products for a month, so I'm gonna give you the first month update as I introduce the products. So first, let's do the makeup items. Is she wildly optimistic or has she just lost her mind? Nobody knows. But she's bringing in 2 powder products for the first round of the project pan. First, I'm using up whatever is left of my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. First off, I freaking love this stuff and I don't even know if they make it anymore. Had a little bit of a stockpile of these from when I was in the States and this is my last one. Obviously, this one is very close to being used up, and with such little product left in the pan, we're going to be getting that quick, satisfying progress that we just love to see. The second powder product is this NYX Baked Blush in Wanderlust. This one is going to be a little bit more of a challenge to get through because there is still plenty of product in there, and just the nature of this blush, there's not a lot of, what do they call that? Kick up? Is that right? Anyway, this blush doesn't tend to do that, which is great because it means less wastage, but from a project pan point of view, does mean it's probably going to take a little bit longer to use up. The final makeup product that I'm working on panning is this NYX Pore Filler Primer. How freaking dirty and disgusting is this packaging? I actually did try to clean it all off so that you wouldn't think I was so disgusting. It won't come off. I used to love this primer, I used to use it all the time, but now I've moved on. I have a new love in my life, so I want to use up what's left of this so I can just make a clean break and move on. At the beginning of January, I had 26 grams of this primer. I just weighed it again, and I still have 26 grams. I have been using this. I know that it's light in comparison with, obviously, the packaging. The packaging is going to be the main bulk of the weight, but still, how disheartening is that? I've been using it. I deserve to see better numbers on the scale. Okay, a product that I do not deserve to see good numbers on the scale for is this Tresemme Split Remedy Hair Serum thing. Again, something that I used to really love and use religiously back in the day, but I found something that I prefer now, and so I just want to get this used up and out of my collection. At the beginning of January, this weighed 77 grams. And fun fact, it still weighs 77 grams because I completely forgot to use it at all, and so have made absolutely zero progress. Quick question, do I have the most frustrating project pan challenges on my channel out of the whole of YouTube? Because I just keep forgetting to use the products. And I wonder if that's like really annoying to watch. Finally, we're going to move on to the skincare products. I'm working on using up this Body Shop British Rose Body Yogurt. That's really difficult to say. Anyway, at the beginning of January, I had 161 grams of this. I'm now down to 157 grams. Look, it's not a great start, but I promise I will step it up in the next month. Next, I have a hand cream, and if you saw my 2023 cosmetics inventory, you will know why. This is the Dove Body Love Essential Care Hand Cream. I'm really enjoying it. How long has Dove been cruelty-free for? That's pretty recent, I think, right? Anyway, this is a nice hand cream, and the Sharpie is back. Do you see it? The fun thing about using little tubes like this is that you get to draw the little Sharpie lines. The weird nerd within me really enjoys that. Anyway, as well as being able to physically see how much we've used up, I did weigh it as well. At the beginning of January, I had 87 grams, and now I'm down to 74 grams, so feeling pretty good about that. And finally, I have a foot cream. This is the Soap & Glory Heal Genius Amazing Foot Cream, if they do say so themselves. Again, I've got my little Sharpie line to show how much I've used, and I have the weights. At the beginning of January, I had 150 grams, and now I'm down to 131 grams. So overall, I feel like we're off to a relatively good start. Once again, a big thank you to the sponsors of today's video, Anna Luisa Jewelry. I'm wearing it now. Don't forget all the information for their Valentine's Day sale, my 20% off coupon code, all the things. It's all going to be down in the description box. Also, don't forget that if you enjoy beauty trash, as well as all things to do with personal development, intentional living, and dream chasing, then go ahead and subscribe. But until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and remember that you are enough just as you are. I will see you soon. Bye. That was so weird. I don't know why I'm so weird. Okay, bye. What am I trying to say? There's so many words that begin with P, and I'm getting them all confused. Product, pan, project. At some point during this video, this chair might just collapse out from under me.